YouTube, iba to fit YouTube.
Elia, great beloved Father Yahweh, and Elia, great Yahushua personally as well, my beloved Yahushua. And I wish you who are following and listening and also watching the TV and listening on the radio and following on the internet around the world and in the Malagasy Island. So I wish you Yahushua bless you all. So my first word, because today is Monday, normally it should be on Tuesday that I speak, but I made it on purpose for the instruction that I give to you that we need our work urgently. Our work is urgent, because you see what happens here in from India now. There is a radio here, and they are preaching Yahushua. They are from India. But that is always the imitators, and they must exist, and they don't know that, and they equal it to Jesus, to Jesus. That's what happens here. So that situation that you know me in Madagascar, that I say to you that that name Yahushua is already spread by people, and they all say that they know it, and it's kind of you were late knowing that greatness and the goodness from beloved Father Yahweh, because they already spread it, and it's devil themselves who spread it. So and they mixed it with Jesus just like that. You see, they just mixed it with Jesus, and now people are confused listening to that. Who are these again? People are like, what is this again? And they're going to say, they are equal. So that is the end of the situation. People will be confused, and they will say, they are equal. That's why we are doing that website. And we have created lots of websites, and we are it's really the website which preaches and destroy all fake gods and deceivers and destroying people to hell. And that's why Elia enters now today, even though if it should be tomorrow. So I speak today that it is needed to help our website. We are helping one another for the website, all ZA. So from now, it's not the website YAHVA Yahushua TV or Yahushua RTV or RTV Yahushua that you're going to optimize the view of it, but you must look at all the websites where there is Yahushua, new Yahushua's writing. So read them all. So these are the new websites that we have spreaded, and you have to optimize them all. So that you must click on them all so that they are all optimized. So there are a lot, there are many. I don't know how many are they exactly. Maybe there are 9 which are created, but I don't know. But today there was a 9 which was created. So if you see the words by Elia, so it's an English one. Yahushua, it is in a quotation mark. Yahushua, the way, the writing, the new writing of Yahushua, and the old rating Yahushua. And below there is by Yahushua. It's me, and it's a war website, so you have to optimize them. So that is we're going to do. Watching these, preparing and taking care of that website, because that is really needed urgently, so that we know what is it, so that we can save all the people who were deceived completely in these deception of people with these deception that people did, like Yahushua and Jesus are equal. No, 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 never. Yahushua is not equal to everything, all that you called. All those who call Jesus, Yeshua, Yehoshua, they are all fake. They are all names from sinners, and they are all fake. But the true name is Yahushua with beloved Father Yahweh. He is the only one and the unique and true. And that's why I say to you, do well the work of Yahushua with these things that I am giving to you, assigned to you, for all children of Father Yahweh. Those who want to gain love from Father Yahweh are doing this work. They are all doing this work. So if those who want to be loved by Yahushua are doing these things. So I repeat again, you have to click on all the website where there is the new writing of Yahushua, YAH, it's a double H, OSHUA. So that is a new writing. And when there is a new writing, it's a worse. So click them all so that it is optimized and it will goes up and people can see it. So that means that it's not one or two or three that you're gonna click, but there are a lot in the. So when you click on Yahushua, you have to look to the bottom until the name Yahushua runs out. Because for us, there are lots of, for us, it's below there, and you will gonna know it. You should know that it's a words. There are English, there are Malagasy, and you're going to run it out. Hey, don't optimize the others' website, but you must, you can't miss my name, the ambassador of Yahushua Elia, or Yahushua with the double H. So this is how you're gonna know that it is a verse or not. That's it. So it's with these websites that you're gonna click so that our websites will go up. So when people are looking about Yahushua, they're going to find us first, so that it will be explained from the beginning. The truth is, so when there are websites which appears after us, people will already know that the others are imposters and scammers and swindlers when they're not with Elia. So that is my words and my explanation for you all. That's why I entered to just explain that. Follow the words of Elia, follow the words of the ambassador of Yahushua, and what else? And don't change the word. So that is it. So you have to follow and obey all my words. Hey, be careful not to click the other's website. You have to know it. You have to know what is this, what the ambassador of Yahushua Elia taught. When you are looking at it, you already know that this is a verse, and you have to click on a verse, not the others, because otherwise the others will be optimized. But I am so happy that YAHOSHUA TV is already optimized. But that is already YouTube, but it's okay when it is optimized and goes up. And there is also another one, which is YAHOSHUA RTV, which is already, I don't know if it's YAHOSHUA RTV or RTV Yahushua. But the one is already at a 4th or 5th or 6th position, so you're going to make them go up. So all the children of God, I am telling you, children of God, children of the Most High, children of Father Yahweh, to do this work well. So the work is waiting for you now, so that it is going forward quickly, so that our website, our many websites will go up. So all people who are who wants to participate to for the work of Yahushua and the Father Yahweh, the God of Abraham, you can do all that and send that to all people so that they all click on it. But that is a good work. That is to help the work of Yahushua to go forward, and so that people become someone who never sinned. It's only devils who don't like that, but if it's only as long as humans, normal humans, that is good to be never seen. But that is a time to take responsibility. So do all means to make this website goes up, because it's really important for us. And there is no words and no news that I'm going to give you, but we are waiting for tomorrow. It's tomorrow that I'm going to preach again. But that is our work and task that I give you. Everybody must click on that. So transfer that to everyone. We're going to click on them all. You have to find at the bottom of the pages. So when you click on it, it will go. I mean, it will reach to the first page. And if you don't click on our website, it will remain at the bottom. So that is our work, our ZAH, our task ZAH. You have to click on these websites. They are so numerous. But look at the words by Elia. In the French it's B Elia, but the B in English is by. There are some who don't know English among it. That's why I say you B Elia. When you see Elia, it's me, and it's in the website of Yahushua. And when there is a name Elia, it's me. So you click on that website when you found that. So that is it. That is my word. So Yahushua bless you all. But I am have say that to you. That's why I am that's why I would in a rush. So look at the bottom of the pages and click them all so that it will goes up. Look at the bottom, at the most bottom. So you're going to run out the website where there is Yahushua, and there you end. And so as Yava, you're going to find them all where there is Yahushua. So let it goes up. It's our task to make our website goes up. So the first page will be covered with our website, so all people will know our the teaching. And if there are some people who are talking about nonsense thing below, they cannot go anywhere anymore, because they are already covered with what's below. So thank you for those who are following. So Yahushua bless you all. The emission of Mom after is very good. It's at 8 p.m. From you, but it's 10:30 from us. So Yahushua bless you all. Yahushua bless you all. So tomorrow, see you tomorrow.
Sivadibadika mtukisa numekwa Nenara nofona numasan kataiku La falina tumande ya nodu iraiku Yahushua tenzo veo te tantam fifa tamyo 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 Kamare so fifa hano 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 Azamana fa ifa tamyo Nampipa naka nasa tamyo